Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my kitchen slash my living room home tour. So I'm going to be showing you the rest of the house pretty soon, but this is how far I have gotten so far. So I hope you guys like this and let me know if you have any questions. All right, let's get started. All right guys, when you first walk in the house, you do go right into the kitchen. So here's the kitchen here. I just keep my dishwashing liquid here and my hand soap for when I'm washing dishes. Nice little sink here. Here's a quote on the wall that I really love. It just says that they broke bread in their homes and ate together with glad and sincere hearts. I just had to put that in my kitchen. I do have my favorite candle burning. It's the marshmallow fireside, and it smells so good, guys. So then I'm gonna go here. What's in my kitchen? I just have apples in here right now. My little one loves apples, and look at this. This is so cute. Look how little this apple is. Like little mini apples. So he just takes one of these every day to school. So yeah, that's really cute. I have a KitchenAid here. I have only used this KitchenAid like literally one time. I think it's more for decoration because it's pink, and like pink is my favorite color. Going here, so I do have the Kardashian cookie jar here, and right here is my sugar, and then the flowers over here. I'm in the process of getting labeled for my jars here. And then I have my Keurig. I don't really use this one because I do have one at my desk at work, so I mainly just brew all my coffee and make my tea at work. And then we just have a stove, nothing fancy about the stove. And then here I just have a KitchenAid blender, which I really don't use either. And then here is just the microwave, you can see. And then they put the fridge over here, as you can see. Look how light on. All right, to brighten the place up a little bit. So here is the the fridge, which is over here. So over here is the fridge. I'm not gonna open my fridge today, guys, because I need to clean it out. There's the little one. Say hi. Nothing fancy. I'm looking for a new desk, guys. If you have any recommendations for like a nice office desk, just feel free to shoot that to me. I use this just to to edit my videos, to post for you guys. Here's just like two little bar stools, and then those are my flowers that I got for Valentine's Day, but they're dying, so they're probably thrown away shortly. Just a little fish tank here, and some little knickknacks on the fish tank stand. And those are pictures of my little one. And there's a little cute bamboo plant that I actually got from IKEA. And then we'll go in. So this is my rug. You might not be able to see this right now. Let me see. Yeah. So you can't really see this right now, but this is actually a glitter rug. It is so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can just open the windows or something so you guys can see it. Here is, excuse the remote. Here is my throw. As you can see, this has glitter in it as well. I got this from Home Goods, and then I have some pillows. Here, I know that pillow came from TJ Maxx. And then more glitter pillows. As you can see, I love glitter too. The pink one came from Home Goods, and then these two tan ones here came from TJ Maxx as well. I got my couch from Rooms to Go, very affordable, guys, just letting you know that. And then up here is something that I did put together. As you can see here, I love this picture. It's the Buddha. And then I'm gonna zoom in for you. So here, I got these arrows from Hobby Lobby, and they go really good with this picture because this picture has like a rust look to it, and these arrows have that rust look as well, which I think is pretty cool for that. I just have a little simple clock on the wall. Eventually, I'm probably going to move that because I really don't like it in here. I just stuck it up there so the walls won't look so empty. And then here, if you can see me, hi. This is just a floor mirror that I got from Walmart. I actually got this mirror for about $5. Very affordable, but I got this on Black Friday for like 2 years ago. And then we have the TV mounted here. I have another candle burning here. That's the same exact candle that I have in the kitchen. Fireplace TV stand and it actually gives off heat. So in the winter, this is very cool, especially when it's like really cold outside. So you can do that as well. So yeah, this is all for my kitchen and living room tour. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.